The natural world is full of wonders, each more fascinating than the last. Some creatures are small and blend into their surroundings, making them almost invisible to the untrained eye. Others are large and striking in appearance, capturing our attention with their majestic presence. The giant anteater falls into the latter category with its unique and captivating features. This fascinating animal is a true marvel of nature, intriguing scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Its unique adaptations, such as its long claws and specialized snout, and its vital role in the ecosystem, make it a captivating subject of study. The giant anteater, also known as the ant bear, is found in the grasslands and savannas of South America, where it roams freely. It is the largest of the 4 anteater species, standing out with its impressive size and distinctive features. The giant anteater is easily recognizable with its long, narrow snout and bushy tail, which it uses for balance and warmth. Its distinctive coloration, a combination of grey, brown and white, helps it blend into the grasslands, providing camouflage from predators. This essay will explore the fascinating world of the giant anteater, shedding light on its many intriguing aspects. We will delve into its physical characteristics, diet, habitat, and ecological significance, uncovering what makes this creature so special. We will also examine the challenges it faces and the conservation efforts in place to protect this unique species, ensuring its survival for future generations. The giant anteater possesses a remarkable set of adaptations that allow it to thrive in its environment, making it a fascinating creature to observe. 2 of its most striking features are its elongated snout and incredibly sticky tongue, both of which play crucial roles in its survival. These physical attributes are perfectly designed for its specialized diet, which primarily consists of ants and termites. The giant anteater's snout is long and slender, with nostrils located at the very tip, allowing it to reach deep into insect nests. This elongated snout allows the anteater to probe deep into ant and termite mounds, accessing food sources that other animals cannot. It acts as a sensitive tool, detecting the presence of insects within their nests, ensuring the anteater can locate its prey with precision. But the true marvel of the giant anteater's anatomy is its tongue, which is both long and highly flexible. This extraordinary organ can extend up to 2 feet beyond the anteater's mouth, allowing it to reach deep into insect tunnels. It is covered in sticky saliva that traps ants and termites, making it highly efficient for gathering food quickly and effectively. The anteater's tongue can flick in and out up to 150 times per minute, ensuring a steady supply of insects to sustain its diet. The giant anteater is a highly specialized feeder, uniquely adapted to its environment. Its diet consists almost entirely of ants and termites, which are abundant in its habitat. This dietary preference makes the anteater an insectivore, a creature that primarily feeds on insects. Its unique adaptations, particularly its long snout and tongue, are perfectly suited for extracting these insects from their nests, allowing it to reach deep into anthills and termite mounds. Ants and termites provide a rich source of protein, essential for the anteater's survival. The giant anteater needs a large quantity of these insects to fuel its metabolism, consuming them throughout the day. An adult anteater can consume up to 30,000 ants and termites in a single day, showcasing its incredible feeding capacity. This impressive feat is possible due to the efficiency of its feeding mechanism, which is highly specialized for this purpose. The anteater uses its powerful claws to tear open ant and termite mounds, exposing the insects inside. Once the nest is breached, the anteater inserts its long snout and begins to lap up the insects with its sticky tongue, ensuring none escape. The anteater's lack of teeth is not a hindrance, rather it is an adaptation. It swallows its prey whole, relying on its muscular stomach to grind up the insects, effectively digesting them without the need for chewing. The giant anteater is native to the grasslands and savannas of South America. These habitats, characterized by open spaces and scattered trees, provide the ideal environment for the anteater to thrive. The savannas offer abundant food sources in the form of ant and termite colonies. Giant anteaters are solitary creatures. They roam large territories in search of food, The size of an anteater's territory varies depending on the availability of food and the presence of other anteaters. These slow-moving creatures are active both during the day and night. They are most active during the cooler hours, avoiding the heat of the midday sun. When not foraging for food, giant anteaters can be found resting in the shade of trees or in shallow burrows. Section 5. The anteater's place in the web of life. The giant anteater plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. As a specialized insectivore, it helps to regulate populations of ants and termites. This ecological service is crucial for the health of the savanna ecosystem. By consuming large quantities of ants and termites, the giant anteater prevents these insects from reaching unsustainable levels. This, in turn, protects the vegetation of the savanna, which could be decimated by an overabundance of these insects. The giant anteater's presence in the food web also has implications for other species. While the anteater itself has few predators, its abandoned burrows can provide shelter for other animals. These burrows offer protection from the elements and potential predators. Section 6. Challenges to survival: a changing world. Despite its important role in the ecosystem, the giant anteater faces a number of challenges to its survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation and agricultural expansion is a significant threat. As humans encroach upon the anteater's habitat, it becomes increasingly difficult for these animals to find suitable areas to live and forage. In addition to habitat loss, giant anteaters are also threatened by the illegal pet trade. Their unique appearance and docile nature make them a target for poachers. The capture and trade of these animals can have devastating impacts on wild populations. Another challenge facing giant anteaters is the risk of being hit by vehicles. As roads are built through their habitat, these slow-moving creatures are at risk of being struck by cars, especially at night. These collisions can be fatal for anteaters. Section 7. Conservation efforts: protecting a unique species. Recognizing the threats facing giant anteaters, conservation organizations and governments are working together to protect this unique species. Conservation efforts focus on a multi-pronged approach addressing habitat loss, poaching, and other threats. One important aspect of conservation is the establishment of protected areas. National parks and reserves provide safe havens for giant anteaters and other wildlife. These protected areas help to mitigate habitat loss and create corridors for animals to move freely. Another crucial element of conservation is raising public awareness about the plight of the giant anteater. Educating local communities about the importance of protecting this species and its habitat is essential for long-term conservation success. Section 8. The role of zoos, education and preservation. Zoos play a vital role in the conservation of giant anteaters. They provide a safe haven for these animals, particularly those that have been injured or orphaned in the wild. Zoos also play a crucial role in educating the public about the importance of conservation. Through educational programs and exhibits, zoos can foster a sense of wonder and appreciation for giant anteaters and other endangered species. By connecting people with wildlife, zoos can inspire action to protect these animals and their habitats. In addition to their educational role, zoos also participate in breeding programs for giant anteaters. These programs help to ensure the genetic diversity of captive populations and provide a safety net against extinction in the wild. Section 9. A call to action securing the anteater's future. The giant anteater, with its remarkable adaptations and ecological importance, is a treasure of the natural world. However, this unique species faces an uncertain future. Habitat loss, poaching, and other threats continue to put pressure on giant anteater populations. It is our collective responsibility to ensure the survival of this fascinating creature. By supporting conservation organizations, advocating for protected areas, and making sustainable choices in our own lives, we can make a difference for giant anteaters. The future of the giant anteater, like that of many endangered species, depends on our actions. Let us work together to protect this unique and valuable animal for generations to come.